On our way to Mississippi, we stopped in New Orleans to this restaurant. It's a famous restaurant. It was opened in 1941. It's called Dooky Chase's. And it was packed. So when we stopped by here in New Orleans, we decided to, have a bite to eat. And since we was traveling, we're gonna check out some of the historical places. This right here is the bar area. The restaurant was packed. I think we had to wait for like 35 or 40 minutes before we were able to get a seat. So we had a couple of drinks while we waited. We noticed that a lot of people, famous people that have been to this restaurant, even the president, Barack Obama, you had Ray Charles, you had a lot of people that have come through and visit this restaurant.
Give me one of those spicy also.
But to get your heads up, we ordered a buffet, and they do not want you to go and look at the buffet. They consider it as being rude. So they would tell you what's on the buffet, but you can't walk up there and actually see what they're serving. And also, you cannot get your dessert until after you finish eating your meal. If you got 5 people, once all 5 of you guys are finished, then they will serve dessert. So the food was pretty good. It wasn't spectacular, but it was good. But this is my plate right here. This came off the buffet. You got fried chicken and fish, okra. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.